I am KamalikaChatterjee and I am studying in final year of Mechanical Engineering in Jadavpur University. I have appeared for GATE 2012 exam for the paper of Mechanical Engineering and my All India rank is 1. I have a GATE score of 1000. I stay at Salt Lake, Kolkata, and I think that in my success there is a major part of appreciation and help of GATEFORUM, and all of the students of Jadavpur University are very proud of it, and my family is also very proud of my success. The GATE paper this year was quite easy when compared to other GATE papers like 2008, when we had a lot of bigger questions in that time, but here it was smaller questions which required less time to put into it, and also that was easy for me. The time management was good for me. Because of that, the questions were very small. I need not put very much time into them, and I think I have gone through all the chapters and all those subjects properly. That's why I think it appeared to be easy for me. I think e-GATE is effective because some student who cannot attend a class in some classroom where the GATEFORUM is situated, that will be helpful for them. But I think I have some suggestions to improve the quality of e-GATE. Like, I think that the question and answer session that is there for 10 minutes after the 45 minutes of the teaching course, that is very less, because there will be lot of number of people with lots of questions. So the time of 10 minutes, that will be less for the teacher to answer to their questions. And I think if someone has some query about what is being taught at the time of teaching, he or she may forget it when the course is over. Like after the 45 minutes, he or she may forget it, and that query will not be satisfied. So I think that there must be some way of communication during the course also, such that there is an interactive session possible at that time. I had a certain strategy for attempting the paper. Like I decided to attempt the number 2, means the questions carrying 2 numbers of technical questions. Those questions I wanted to attempt first, and after completing them, I went for the questions having marks 1 in the technical section. Then when I completed them, I went to the aptitude section, and my time management was like, I kept 1.5 hours for the first marks 2 questions, that is the questions of the technical section marks 2, then next half hours for the marks 1 questions technical section, and the remaining part I kept for attending the aptitude questions and also for revising the questions, and also attempting all the unattempted questions, trying for them at least. Well, I was confident about achieving a success in the GATE exam this year. So I started early, like in December, and I prepared as much as I could during the early February, January and December. And also I took the target mock tests for GATE under the GATEFORUM, and that also helped me a lot, because my performance was judged continuously by them, and this review helped me to prepare all those sections in which I had a poor idea properly. So I just kept my concentration on those areas in which I had poor ideas, and I just prepared them a lot properly. That is one reason for my success. Another reason, I was much motivated, and I did a good time management during the GATE exam, and also I kept my calm during the exam, which is very much important during the exam. Preparing for the GATE exam was like starting from the month of December, and I thought of going through all the topics in the syllabus properly. So I just printed out the syllabus first and then went through each and every topic rigorously, and I used to do all the question papers of the previous years such that I can identify in which areas we have a number of questions each year, so that I can concentrate my knowledge on those areas properly. And also the mock tests of GATEFORUM helped me a lot, because it also showed me in which areas I do not have a proper knowledge, or in which areas there is a possibility of coming a lot of questions. So I prepared those sections properly, which is a real reason for my success in the GATE exam, and that was only my strategy. There is not any specific hours I have set aside for the GATE preparation, but I tried to give as much as my time I could during the month of December, January and early February. And I used to give less time for my regular studies and try to concentrate on GATE properly. Maybe some 4 or 5 hours in a day. That will be enough for the GATE preparation if you do it for those 3 months. Actually, I have not taken any study materials from outside. Whatever I have read are the books or the textbooks, and also the class notes that have been provided by my teachers of Jadavpur University. That was enough for me. I think books, if I want to suggest, then in mechanical engineering for heat transfer, the OG6 book is very nice, and and manufacturing is a very important part. Manufacturing and metal cutting, those things come very frequently in GATE, so people must have to concentrate on them, and for that they can follow some books like P.N. Rao, and Ghosh Mullik is a very good book. Others are like the GK Publishers book is also good to guide a GATE aspirant through those topics which are specifically important for GATE. I took the target test series for my GATE preparation from GATEFORUM, and that helped me a lot, because I think if you just study and gain knowledge, that is not enough. You need to apply it to know whether you can apply it properly or not. So that application area was provided to me by the target test program, where I used to go through a lot of questions, and that was in the same pattern as occurs in the actual GATE exam in the same time. So it also helped me to arrange my time management. I could know that whether I can answer this much of questions in this much of time, whether I can answer the questions according to my knowledge or not. So I think for a continuous judgment or continuous review of one's performance, such a test series or mock test is required, and that thing helped me a lot. My suggestions to the students who are preparing for next GATE exams would be that you be confident and motivated. You should not lose your hope anytime. During the GATE exam, be calm. Don't take any tension. That will be leading to error, much error. And I think you should go through the syllabus properly and go through all the topics that are required for the GATE. Not any topic that is not required for the GATE exam. You should follow the syllabus, and also you should take mock tests in some association or some institute like GATEFORUM, such that you can have a continuous judgment of your performance. As I told already that continuous judgment of performance is necessary for any exam, not only GATE, for any exam, anything you are wanting to do. If you want to get success, you want to practice it, and that practicing is provided by all the GATEFORUM test series. And I think the study materials also provide with specific informations that are important for GATE, and that will provide the optimum knowledge for GATE. You do not require to read whole of the book or whole of everything, but you need to be specific and very much targeted, such that you can get whatever you want to get. That is the ultimate success. MTech or Masters of Technology or ME, Masters of Engineering, any masters in these engineering or technology subjects are very much important for engineers today, because if you do only a bachelor's, that does not lead to a very good job if you want to be a faculty or you want to be in the academia, or if you go for placements, jobs in industry, etc. So if you want to go up to a higher rank in any place, you need to have something called master's degree, but that also equips with very good knowledge, because in time of bachelor's you do not have a specific kind of knowledge about any specific subject. You have a broader idea about every subject. So I think masters is required to gain specific knowledge in a subject such that you can further go on researching on that subject and you can flourish better. So I think taking masters is necessary, and that is called MTech or ME here. And for the entrance in masters in India, we require the GATE examination. Thus the GATE examination is very important for any engineer who wants to pursue a master's, who wants to get success in his life actually. So I think preparation for the GATE exam is also important, and that's why GATEFORUM is important here. GATEFORUM provides with offers like study materials and classroom coachings and also test series, which helps a person to get practiced with all the knowledges that someone requires to succeed in GATE. So I think GATEFORUM's offerings are very much incredible if we consider that we want to get ultimate success in GATE. And I have taken target examination test series with GATEFORUM, and I have got all India rank of first in the mechanical engineering section of GATE 2012. So I think that is going to help you a lot, which is the GATEFORUM's offerings. And also you should be specific in your works if you want to get success not only in your studies but in your future, in your life as well. Then you must be serious about GATE exam. Every engineer should be serious about GATE exam, and you should follow what is the offered by the GATEFORUM. My ambition was to become a very good engineer such that I can provide developed technology for my country, and thus I joined Bachelor's of Mechanical Engineering in Jadavpur University. And I had the plan or the ambition to become a professor in a leading institute of India, such that I can teach a lot of students who can be the future of India. And I also want to pursue my own research. Thus, after masters in some leading institute like Indian Institute of Science, I would go for a PhD. After that, I will go for a postdoctorate, and then I will join as faculty in some institution of India, where I will teach the students, and I will go through my own research, where I will produce the technology that has not been developed still now, that will help my country as a whole. And this was my motivation actually, because I always wanted to do welfare for my country, and in my situation I could do it only by providing good technology for my country. Thus, if I want to do it, I need to be very specific in some area or some subject. If I do not know a subject properly, then I cannot do good research in it. Thus, I want to pursue my masters, and I had the idea that if I want to do masters and I want to gain proper knowledge, then I will have to go to the best institute possible. And that best institute I can gain only if I get a very good rank. So I decided to do good in the GATE exam, GATE 2012 exam, and also thus I started preparing from December. I used to have chats with my friends, group studies with my friends, who inspired me also, because they know that I can do it, and they also helped me a lot in that case. and my teachers from my Jadavpur University helped me, and the association like GATEFORUM, where I used to give mock tests, helped me in that regard. And thus my ambition is providing my country India with such good and developed technologies such that it can appear in the competitive market. Thus I have that ambition in my mind, and thus I appeared for the GATE examination with my full concentration and my full power.